Hello, Alan. How's it going today? Good. I need to hire a bus, please.
Sorry?
I need to hire a bus, please.
Sorry, where are you calling from, sorry?
Away from Canberra, but I need to hire a bus, please.
Right.
As a 6-month city bus with the hino bus with the exhaust.
Right.
And then in the this is Caleb. This is Caleb.
They're not Canada's dead yet, eh?
Pardon? No.
So you want the hino with a loud exhaust?
Yeah, if I allow this exhaust, yep. It's hino bus with the 6-1 city bus, please. With the 61 city bus.
Right.
And where from Canberra.
Right.
And then where you from?
Sorry, say that one more time?
We're on the 61. I'm on the 61 city bus tomorrow. So we're from Canberra.
Canberra.
Yeah, we're from Canberra. Yeah.
Right.
So I need the 61 city bus with a loud exhaust. With it's a good one, hey.
Yeah.
With the 61 city bus with the hino on the bus. It's a hino.
Right.
And does that be okay?
No.
Would that be okay with you?
No.
Would that be okay with you or not? Pardon?
Look, they're all unregistered, hey? So, yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye.